Hello, I wish good moment for you. Today I wanna talk about filter function or method in JavaScript vanilla JS. For the first, I open my script tag. Maybe something went wrong here. What? I don't know. Oh. Okay, let's do it manually. Okay, it's okay. Guess we have an array, for example, const my cars. It's equals to, for example, okay guys, I have my cars. I open an array and write some cars names. For example, 206, 206, Lambo, Ferrari, maybe Peugeot. I don't know the. It's okay or no? Okay. BMW and Benz, maybe Benz, and for example, Bugatti. Because now I want to filter my array with BK. What I mean? I define another array, filtered cars. It's equals to, okay, my cars, my first array, dot filter, and my input is item. Okay, let's check all of this item. This is one item, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, and more. Okay, here I said return if item dot slice first letter is not equal to B and maybe I can add this, or no, I don't know, item dot slice 0 to 1 that is not equals to capital B. Okay, let's go start. How we can't see this console dot like filtered cars. Okay guys, we have an array 206 Lambo, Ferrari, Peugeot. But where is BMW, Benz, and Bugatti? Because here we said if the first letter is a start with B, a small b or capital B, don't show them and filter my array. Let's check this. For example, I write BMW with capital B. Okay, it's worked fine, but if I remove this part, maybe it's not worked fine. Let's check it. Can you see? Yes. This is filter method and a good method. I hope you will use this. And now I have to say goodbye to you. Have a good time and goodbye.